Yeah, this is a KVM display with a KVM switch. It's a 19-inch KVM display, and these are the this KVM switch and display as having this keyboards and the touchpad, and this is industrial grade KVM display, and this is another industrial computer, fanless industrial computer. This is, we call it as CPU1, and this is fanless industrial computer, which we call it as CPU2. So this is actually a i5 processor. For this KVM display or KVM switch is used for applications. Suppose there are 8 CPUs like this, either this is desktops or laptops or mini PCs or anything. So, and that's a VGA output there, and you can connect these 8 displays. 8 displays connect to one KVM. So you can switch here. There are many micro switches are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 8 based on selection. Based on this selection, you can select what is to come here, what you want to control here, what you want to browse here. You can, based on this, you can make this. So now I will show a mini demo of this application. So here, this is the power on button, the red color. So this power on button I am switching on. So this have a power on button. Once you power on, you can see that so here PC1 is selected. So PC1, based on this is the PC1. So PC1 got selected, and contents of PC1 is coming here, and we can use this scroll touchpad to scroll, and we can open this, the content, modify it, edit, type, change. Now I am putting to PC2. So the content from this PC will come here. So that this content from this is came through the KVM in the back side. There are 8 KVM ports back side. So the contents has come. So like this is 1, PC1, PC2, like that, PC3, PC4, PC5. Now we can switch back to PC1. So this optimize our resources. So we need to have one monitor, one keyboard, one mouse for up to 8 computers. And there are a lot of shortcuts here, keyboard shortcuts here. So that's called hotkey commands. So that will ease our use of this, optimize this use of this KVM display. And this is one new size. This is one new size and can be rack mounted, 19-inch rack mounted. Mounting can be done, and it's industrial grade, and this can be ideally used for all the industrial grade application. It can slide out. You can see some ball bearings inside, back side. You can see ball bearings inside, and there's a handle with cables, and you can slide it. Here back side is the KVM switch actually, which actually switches from one CPU to another CPU. There is a handle. So this will optimize our resources. So there is, suppose you consider a large control room. There are a lot of CPUs are there controlling a slow process. In that slow process, you can have up to multiple computers. In these multiple computers, you can have only one monitor, one keyboard, and one mouse, instead of having 8 such sets. So this will reduce the cost and reduce the manpower. So you need to have only one chair and one such KVM device. So this will say the use, and also for this networking application, networking servers, 42 networking servers, this is an essential item. So where you can switch and switch and switch and see what is the each content of each server or each computer. So you're giving. So this is a very valuable good, and then this is made of special sheet metal, a very thick sheet metal, and it's having a shock vibration and shock vibration resistant. It can work up to very wide operating temperature of 55 degrees centigrade. So in case you need this product, you can contact SUNDAR TECHNO Solutions, which is located in Electronic City, Bangalore. Thank you.